Immanuel Kant's Critique of Pure Reason is a complex and influential work in the field of philosophy. In this book, Kant seeks to answer the question of what we can know about the world and how we can know it. Kant argues that there are two sources of knowledge, experience and reason. He claims that all of our knowledge comes from experience, but that reason helps us to organize and understand that experience. Kant believes that there are certain fundamental concepts that are necessary for any knowledge to be possible, and these concepts are provided by reason. One of Kant's key ideas is that there are two different kinds of knowledge, analytic and synthetic. Analytic knowledge is knowledge that is true by definition, such as, all bachelors are unmarried. Synthetic knowledge, on the other hand, is knowledge that goes beyond the definitions of words and requires experience to be known. Kant also introduces the distinction between phenomena and noumena. Phenomena are the things that we can perceive through our senses, while noumena are things that we cannot directly perceive. Kant argues that we can never know things as they are in themselves, because our knowledge is always filtered through our perceptions. Kant's critique of pure reason is divided into two main parts, the transcendental aesthetic and the transcendental analytic. In the transcendental aesthetic, Kant examines the nature of our sensory experiences and argues that space and time are the necessary conditions for us to have those experiences. In the transcendental analytic, Kant examines the categories of the understanding that are necessary for us to organize our experiences and form concepts. One of Kant's most important contributions to philosophy is his distinction between the phenomenal world and the noumenal world. He argues that we can only know things as they appear to us, not as they are in themselves. This means that there are limits to what we can know about the world, and that some questions may be beyond the reach of human understanding. Overall, Kant's critique of pure reason is a dense and challenging work that has had a significant impact on the development of philosophy. By exploring the nature of knowledge and the limits of human understanding, Kant laid the foundation for many of the debates that continue to shape the field of philosophy today.